Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Guys, we have some very special guests in the house. Hot celebrities, big stars of Nigeria, music celebrities of the country. Whoa. If you guys don't know Taraxbella, what I do in your life? Okay, what I do in your life? Let me even form like I'm familiar. These girls are literally my cousins. Yeah, like my this second and third cousins at this point. Second cousins. I don't even know, but we are second cousins, guys, and these girls are stars of our time. If you don't know, they're on The Voice Nigeria. Hey, what year was that?
That was 2017. Yeah.
They were on TV, their Colos team. I don't forget. I was busy watching my TV, shouting, yeah, those are my sisters. Yeah. But anyway, they are here today, and we're going to be playing a very fun game, guys. A game of song association. Woo! Which is, of course, we have to do that because these are stars. These are musically inclined sisters. Okay? So, right behind the camera, we have their friend, Eno, who will be giving us the words and timing us as well. I've done this video in the past on my channel. You guys know how it goes. Give us a word. We sing a song that has the word in it in 10 seconds, one by one. All right?
Okay.
Without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so this is our number one contestant. And this is number
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's how we're doing it, huh?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, one by one. This is Tara, by the way. And then this is Bella. Okay.
So much honored to be on Alma's channel.
Break.
And break away.
By who?
Kelly Clarkson. Break away. Quick thinking.
Okay. She wants to go. Those with that voice.
It's okay. Make a wish. Take a chance. Make a chance.
Come on.
And break away. We gave it to
word. Flower.
Flowers. Ooh. In my field of paper flowers.
By who?
Evanescence.
Okay.
Yeah. Evanescence. Yeah. 1-1. Try and get your own
Where are you
one.
getting these words from?
That's why I like her. She knows how far.
Next word, pants.
As in pants.
Pants?
Your time is going. The date's here.
Oh.
7, 6, 5.
I don't even have anything.
4, 3, 2.
Take your pants Americans call.
Yeah, sorry, love. 0. Tara is next.
Next word, red.
Oh my gosh. I got it. Red-blooded. Red velvet. Oh my god.
Red-blooded. Red velvet.
Your 10 seconds is definitely up.
Babe, your time is up, dear.
Alright. Next word, fashion.
Fashion, put it all on me. Don't you want to see this clothes on me? Fashion. Lady Gaga, fashion. Oh my god.
Okay, next word, fire.
Who am I? What's wrong with me? What's going on? This one is missing. There is fire on the mountain, and nobody seems to be on the run. Oh, there is fire on the mountain, and no one is around it.
Hey, see harmony. So 2, 1, 1. All right, let's go.
Hair.
I am not my hair.
Hey.
I am not his skin. Sure. I am not your expectations. No.
Oh my God. See voices.
That's how y'all feel.
Shy.
Next word, lips.
You lift me up so I can step
How
the mountains.
That was one.
Okay, no, it's not even lift.
It's range.
It's range.
Zero. The 10 seconds are up. It's no
Like,
point.
oh my God, I can't believe I was singing this song with so much you were. I was only thinking you lift me up. But lifts and range is the same thing now. Okay, so 2, 2.
Better not do me dirty.
Okay.
Next song.
Okay.
Sunset.
Sunset.
Yeah.
Hey, even me, I don't know any song that has sunset in it too.
And I don't like these things that you're doing.
Sunset, babe, time up. Time up. So it's still 2-2-1.
Yes.
Hey, yeah,
2-2-1.
sorry, my darling.
Next word. Closet.
Closet.
Trapped in the closet. You're gonna stay at
Sing it, yeah. He didn't sing the part that he sang the closet part.
I was trapped in the closet.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
It's a lie, girl. No.
It's a lie.
That was not how it went.
It's a lie.
Your 10 seconds are up.
And I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet.
Fair enough.
Next word. White.
White. As in color white.
Color.
White.
8, 7,
White.
6. Ooh, this is so easy, man.
White flag. Dido. White flag.
10
White.
seconds already up.
How does the song go?
I don't care, my baby. It don't matter.
Oh man. Oh my god.
Yes.
Slide.
Oh Lord.
Slide.
You're out to get it. At this point.
Slide.
Slide. No.
Bayonyekwa. Who sang it?
I don't like this no. This is not fair.
It's still 2-2-1 and we've done like 4 rounds.
Do you guys know any song with slide?
Yes.
Is it just me?
Slide.
That and who did it? I don't know.
We don't know. But there's a song like Slide though.
Next word. Road.
Road. These words are hard.
Although we've come
Good one.
to the end of the road, still I can't let go. Boys to men.
Yeah.
Okay, home.
Home.
Yeah.
She wants to go home, but nobody's home. I feel loving. That's where she lies, broken inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love that song.
I feel loving, y'all.
Those days.
See the
Those
word
days.
became Alma or Eno.
Home.
Come and now give me sunset.
Sunset.
Why?
Miss you.
Miss you.
That's 2 words. Miss.
I miss you up to college. Yes, you went away straight from high school. You up and left.
That's Aaliyah, right?
Yeah, I miss you.
Yeah. So I meant you have Natu. Thank God for your life. 3-3-2.
Word. Right.
I have
now.
so many songs.
Can you imagine?
Yeah?
Wow.
Sister me.
Right. Oh my gosh. I have them. Right with you. Oh my gosh. Don't count.
If you wanna go and take a ride with me, there girls and falling in the door. See,
Yeah, I was thinking we ride.
Rihanna.
I thought that was Ciara. You know that's Rihanna.
All right. Rihanna's on these.
You love the way I'm right. You get there's so many.
Right. You love the way I'm right.
I mean, just take it right. Anything. Like,
Then Jay
just
Sean.
black.
Ride it. Come on.
Now you just showing it.
Ride it. Just lose control. Ride it.
I am rubbing in for
Too
that.
many.
That's like 4 points for me at this point, man.
Next word. Everything.
Really?
You were everything that I wanted. Hey, you were supposed to be.
No, you guys.
I'm
you know
trying
what?
so hard not
They
to be
actually had a
salty, but-
meeting
If I hear,
behind our back.
I
That's
hear.
what's happening.
I hope you guys can see the bias. I hope you guys can see what's going on. Because
hey, I have 4. That's my ocean. 3, 4, 2. Come on.
it's really imagine.
Come on.
Next word. Crazy.
Got me looking so crazy
Hey.
right now. Your love's got me. I mean, basic. Come on.
Hey.
Beyonce, crazy in love.
Hey.
So crazy in love.
Those voices are
Thank
killing
you.
me. Hi, CC falsettos, altos, sopranos.
Next word. Nothing.
Oh, I have nothing.
Hey.
Nothing.
Hey.
Nothing. If I don't have you.
That's a good one.
My good aunt Whitney
This
Houston.
is her aunt.
Yeah.
So she has 4 points now.
Yeah.
Play.
Sorry?
Play.
Play.
I have to.
Play. Come on and
DJ,
play that song.
Yeah.
Play it all night
DJ, just turn
long.
that song.
And I wanna be dancing all night long.
I'm
J-Lo.
good at this.
Hey, I have
know
5
where to
points.
begin.
I'm feeling myself too much.
your
5
mind.
points.
Next word. Fight.
Fight.
Fight?
I know one.
Make me. Thanks for making me.
Me fighter. I was waiting for you to sing that song.
A little bigger.
Makes me that much harder. Thanks for making me fighter. Yes, yes,
that
yes,
one.
yes. yes.
I have 4. She has 5. He has 3.
I have 5.
Let's go. Next word, blue.
Blue.
Something that has.
Can you imagine? Blue.
Beyonce.
Blue.
Oh, her own daughter.
Yeah, she sang the song.
Come on, baby, won't you hold on to me?
Oh, that song. Oh, right. So you have 5 like this.
Yes.
Hey.
Shade.
Shade, like sunshades.
Shade.
Shade.
Yeah.
Shady Baba.
Shade.
Oh my,
How am I
you
supposed
stay
to
on that
know?
5th point today now.
I like that's tough.
Hey, boo. For a change, because you just be giving
easy words.
Keep us serious.
Okay.
I say I have my 5 points, Cha.
Next word, joy.
Wait, who's that for?
You, baby.
Oh,
We know now. Very
Joyful, joyful, Lord, we adore thee.
Lauren.
Lord
Yeah.
of glory. Joyful, joy.
From Sister Act 2.
Next
Yeah.
word, light.
You light up my life.
Okay.
You gave me hope
By who?
to carry on. You light up my day.
Hey.
Fill my heart.
Oh, you know it
with
too.
Abba now. Ama, you know this song too. It's with me now. You light up my life.
So wait, you have 6. That's my own. So you have 6.
Next
Again.
word is fly.
Fly.
Yeah.
I came to win, to fly,
Okay.
to conquer, to rise. I came to win, to survive.
Yeah. But you didn't sing the fly part.
I sang it at the beginning now.
You said fly.
Okay, she's a fly.
Exactly.
Yes. This word.
What?
Love.
Love.
Finally, you put my love on top.
Baby, you got my love on you. You got my love on top, 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 top. Got my love on top.
Beyonce.
Green.
The
Green.
land is green.
Hey.
Okay.
Oh, oh.
Okay.
The land is green. It's green. Can't you see? Yeah, I love that. I love that.
The land is not looking so green, but by God's grace.
Okay.
By God's
next
grace,
word.
it's become green now, my dear, my sister. This land is no longer green, no.
Stand.
Stand.
Yeah.
Stand up for love. Stand up. Destiny's Child. Stand up for love.
I love that
Hey.
Damn, you have 6
Hey.
or 7
Hey.
points now. Which one?
7, baby.
Seven.
7, 7.
7, 7,
7, 7, 7,
Does
7,
she
7.
have 5 of
5 T. Stop
Five.
trying to keep me.
Okay, so the next word is high.
Ooh, that's a good word.
High on your love.
It's time.
I want just to be high. Hey, Adekule go. Be high.
When I'm
around you, baby,
Aw.
can't touch the sky. How could I not remember Tony?
You're making me high.
Yes, girl.
Baby, 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 baby.
Next word is city.
City.
Yeah.
City.
Yeah.
Concrete jungle where dream lives.
There's no
When
city
there's no city
inside.
We were just petty. Ain't no city there, girl.
You guys, do you
10
mind?
seconds.
It's not yet up.
It's
I'm
up, my
thinking.
love. Oh, it's gone.
That finish.
It's a wrap, man.
Big city life. One thing. One song like that. I know it. Big city life. It's an old song.
Oh, that Gary Artalade song. Something. I'm going to the city. That. Do you remember that song?
Today.
No, I don't remember. The title of how it
Yeah, so
goes.
you're still on 7.
Yeah.
Hello. Ndo.
Next word, lost.
Lost without you.
Dead giveaway.
Can't get myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Yeah,
Lost without you.
Ring.
Ring.
Ah.
Ring the alarm.
I've been doing this so long, but I'll be damned if I see another chick on your arm. Would you ring the alarm?
Yes, ring the alarm, Beyonce. Yeah, Beyonce is saving me one more time.
One more time. Shout out to our good sis, babe.
Thank you, Queen Bae.
So how many do you now have?
Next word is
6.
call.
Call.
Yeah.
Call as in CALL.
Yeah.
Call. You don't have to call.
Yes.
It's okay, girl.
It's okay. I'm okay.
I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. You don't have to call.
It's okay, girl.
Hey.
Last one is phone.
Huh.
Come on.
Hello, hello, baby, you called, I can hear a thing. Stop calling, I don't wanna look anymore. I got my head and my heart on the dance floor. Stop telephoning me.
I can't even hate it. That was brilliant.
Oh my God.
Okay. Last word.
That's how the winner.
Last word.
Ay, ay, ay. Nine.
Last word.
Don't embarrass me on my way out, please. Just let me go out with a little bit, please. Just a little. Come on.
Last word is bright.
Oh, Lord.
Very popular song.
Bright.
Yeah.
Hi, come on.
This is so sad.
Nah, man.
Bright eyes. Oh, okay. So
Is that time up?
Yeah.
So shine bright tonight. You and I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Okay. So at the end of our lovely game, Tara finished with a grand score of 8. Alma finished with a grand score of 9.
Rude. Who does that? Is it your song association?
It's my channel. It's my channel.
Can you imagine?
And Bella finished with a grand score of
6.
6.
Girl, bye, not 5.
I said that, girl, bye. We have come to the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. By the way, Tara and Bella have a new music video out. And I will leave the link in the description box. Go and check them out. Give them all your love and all your support, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.